with fertility being such a huge problem around the world, it puts you in a place where you feel really, really guilty as a woman if you decide not to have children, or if you decide that the children that you already have, that's enough for you. Like, everyone doesn't want to have a lot of babies. And for me, one of my grandmothers had 6 and my other grandmother had 12. And for the last year or so, I've really been making myself feel bad because the 2 that I have are enough for me, and I really don't want any more children. But I also don't really want to do birth control either because it really messes with my body. So what I've been doing, I've been actually doing my birth control the natural way by tracking my own body and my own ovulation patterns. So make sure you check the link in the description box below to get this ovulation kit. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. It's so freaking cheap. It's less than $10 and the app is free on your phone. And as you can see, I'm tracking my ovulation daily, so I know exactly when I am ovulating, so I know when my husband can and cannot touch me. Hello. So at this point of me testing, I was at my peak, right? So let's say you're a woman who really does want to get pregnant, then this is great for you to track it. But listen, one of my grandmothers had 6, one had 12, and I am more than content with my 2. I had a boy and a girl, and I have nothing else to prove. When I have high fertility, do not touch me, sir. Get over there, sir. I know I look good, but move, sir. So if you guys are interested in that, then let me know. But I'm gonna tell you, it made me feel really bad, and that's why. 22 Red. Oh, thank y'all so much for dropping off these goodies at my house. I really appreciate y'all. Listen, if it's any saints in the room, don't you get no attitude with me, okay? The Lord made this grow from the ground. This was not genetically engineered in a lab, okay? Cannabis was raised in the ground from the Lord, okay? Thank you very much. So, yeah, 22 Red is a bomb.com. And if you want more information about them, check the link in the description box below because the gas was gassing. Beep, beep, okay?
Ignore the popcorn.
Beep, beep.
And shit, I was minding my business. I was minding my business working, and I swear to God, I think I know what this is. I just want to thank my mama. Like, I think. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's so nice. I mean, it's so nice, but I could just sit on my fucking plate. But that's so nice. That's really nice. Oh, Amazon sent y'all some cookies. I thought it was my fucking plate, but. Sharing something truly. Oh, that's so nice. But I mean, it could have been something else, but.
Looks good.
No damn cookies. The hell out of them. They know they could have sent my fucking plaque off. These some heavy ass cookies that my daughter is about to take. Oh, that's so nice. And they sent all the.
Every time I see food is gonna be spicy, so.
That do me. Is that?
It's gonna be spicy.
Is that a chocolate chip or a raisin?
What?
It looks delicious, whatever it is.
That looks like a raisin.
Can you bite it so I can have a bite mark? Thank you. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay. That's a big ass bite. Talk to him right up. That's weird.
Amazon, please don't think that I don't appreciate you, because I do. I just thought it was something else. You know what I thought it was. But anywho, now at this point, this is a whole nother day. But now I'm getting things ready for Guru VIP. As you guys know, I have my own platform where I go deep, teaching you guys so many different things. Guru 101 just learned how to make their own length retention batter. All right, yes, and this is shea butter. So I taught them my recipe for shea butter, and as you can see, the shea butter is whipped and it goes right into the hair shaft. It's not going to sit and be thick. And this here is their first recipe for a scalp scrub. All right, so I can't give y'all none of the recipes, what's in it, what the base of it is, nothing. This is Guru VIP stuff. So if you want to join my exclusive platform where you learn and get to geek out with me, then make sure you check the links in the description box below so you can learn a little bit more. But this sugar scrub is life, and they're getting a lot more coming really soon. I know this is gonna be loud in the background a little bit if I keep the sound here, but I wanted to go ahead and stop and get just a little bit of work done, just a little bit through the house. And you guys know I have a puppy, so if you see some out of place, he did it. Okay, Flash did it. But we're just going in and making sure that we keep these carpets shampooed and clean. And listen, Amazon be having your girl right, all right? Because that's where I got this carpet shampooer from Amazon, and they delivered it, of course, straight to your girl's front door. And after I went ahead and shampooed the carpets and got the rest of the house together, I just sat outside, listened, and got a little bit of sunlight, because this melanin needs to get in direct contact with the sun, especially after that stuff. Thank you, 22 Red. But anywho, after I got my sunlight, came in, did my nails just a little bit, and this day.
Is this how you vlog? I hope I'm doing this right. So right now I am, hold on, wait, oh, player, I'm sorry. That's not good. I like that. So right now I am getting ready. Sorry. Right now I am getting ready to go on my Zoom call for the day. I have two coaching calls. I have two coaching calls today, and then after these coaching calls, I am going to be recording hopefully 2 videos. I'm gonna have to record 2 videos, and actually I've already recorded these videos before, but then when I looked at the video, I just didn't like it. I don't know, I felt like I was too sciencey, if that makes sense. Like, I was way too sciencey. So I am going to record the video again. Am I supposed to be recording? I am supposed to be, I'm sorry. I'm recording the video again so that way it can just be a little bit easier for everybody to digest, because I know there's certain people who will be able to understand, but I know I have different people from different ages, from different countries, from all walks of life that watch my videos. So I just want to make sure that I am reaching everyone, right? So yeah, that is what's on the agenda today. Oh, I did my nails too. I just been in like this self-care.
So you guys, make sure you check out my favorite journal. This isn't from that same exact day, but I can't find the clip of what I did. I got this same exact journal that's right here, and I made sure that I set my intentions and that I was very, very intentional planning my very next day. But I think I still worked too hard that day though.
So it's dark, but I just got done filming. It is 6:38 and tired does not even begin to explain. what I am right now. Thank you, baby. I'm not lying. My baby just brought me a trash bag, and now I'm about to clean up this disaster of a room. So, yeah. Let's take a look around and see what's going on in here. Yeah. 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 Crazy, crazy, crazy. The crazy shit going on in here, y'all. There's some crazy shit going on in here. I'll be back. I'm cute though.